Good morning, students. Welcome to English Online Class with Teacher Omar, where learning English is fun. Today we're going to study about grammar. On this table, we are going to learn about the subject pronoun on the second column, like I, first person, you, second person, he, she, it, third person singular, we, first person, you, second person, they, third person plural. On the third column, we are also going to learn about the use of do, does, and did in a sentence, and how are we going to use them to transform a simple sentence into a question. Do, does is a positive verb, while don't and doesn't is a negative verb. Don't is a short word for do not, and doesn't is a short word for does not. Now, we are going to study about the use of these elements in our lesson for today. So, transforming sentence into a question. Let's read. In order to convert a statement into a question, you need to put the verb at the beginning of a sentence and add a question mark at the end. But first, let's take a look at this picture. So you can see that the picture is about a girl who is eating a pizza. So let's make a statement from this picture. So the statements are divided into three forms, which is present, past tense, and future tense. To make it more detailed, I eat pizza every day. So this is her statement. So on this sentence, her statement is I eat pizza every day. You can also say it in this way, like I do eat pizza every day. I do eat pizza every day. So in this way, you can easily transform a statement or a sentence into a question by placing the word do or the verb do at the beginning of the sentence. So from here to here, you just exchange the position of the two words between the pronoun I and the verb do. So from I do eat pizza every day, it will become do I eat pizza every day with a question mark. So that's how you easily convert or transform a sentence into a question. Now let's take a look at the other tenses, past tense and future tense. I ate pizza yesterday. I ate pizza yesterday. So to do that, you just add the word or the verb do in a sentence. But since this sentence happens in the past or from the past, instead of using do, you will use did. So you would say, I did eat pizza yesterday. I did eat pizza yesterday. And all you need to do is just exchange the position of these two words. So from I did eat pizza yesterday, it will become did I eat pizza yesterday with a question mark. Next is the future tense. In future tense, you should always put will word in a sentence to signify or to tell that the sentence will happen tomorrow or in the future. So let's read. I will eat pizza tomorrow. I will eat pizza tomorrow. So to transform this into a question, you just have to exchange the word. Will I eat pizza tomorrow? Will I eat pizza tomorrow? So you will notice that for future tense, you don't use do or does as a verb to ask the question because you are always required to use the word will in a sentence if the sentence is in future tense. Let's have another example for this. So instead of using the word or pronoun I, we will use the third person he, she, or it. So let's describe again the picture. So since the the picture is about a girl who eats pizza, you will use she, pronoun she. So she eat pizza every day. So you will use the word does because does is used for third person, where do is used for first person and also second person. So this is the purpose of the table, so it can guide you. She does eat pizza every day. So to make it a question or to transform this into a question, all you need to do is just exchange these two words. So does she eat pizza every day with a question mark? That is for present tense. Now let's go with the past tense. For past tense, she ate pizza yesterday. She ate pizza yesterday. She did eat pizza yesterday. She did eat pizza yesterday. So notice that I used the word did instead of does because we are in past tense form. And also, we change it from ate because we already use a past tense did. Both of them cannot be in past tense form. So remember that if you're going to use did, your main verb must be changed to a simple form. Like for this example, from ate, it changed to eat. So she did eat pizza yesterday. She did eat pizza yesterday. Now to change this into a question, just exchange these two words. So it will become, did she eat pizza yesterday? Did she eat pizza yesterday? For future tense, she will eat pizza tomorrow. She will eat pizza tomorrow. So remember that you need to use the word will if the tenses of the sentence is in future form. She will eat pizza tomorrow. Then to transform this into a question, just exchange these first two words. Will she eat pizza tomorrow? Will she eat pizza tomorrow? So let's have another picture. So on this picture, you can see four children who enjoys eating pizza. So this is no longer a singular subject. These are now a plural because we have one, two, three, four children in the picture. So let's go. In present form, they eat pizza every day. They eat pizza every day. So we use the word they because we are referring to more than one person. So they refers to these children. So they is a third person plural. They eat pizza every day. They eat pizza every day. They do eat